Hi, my name is Ken Brown, and I'm the Model UN advisor here at Bellarmine Prep. I love Model United Nations because it fills a need, I think, that a lot of students have to debate and to practice their oral speaking skills, but in a way that is geared towards consensus building and solving real world problems. In Model UN, students will select a country and a committee, and they will represent that country at a conference. They will try to play the part of that particular country and argue for that country's interests. And so it's a way for students to sort of think outside the bubble and think about and appreciate other points of views on some of these key issues. I think Model UN is growing so fast, both at Bellarmine and in the Northwest, because it is, in some ways, an antidote to what they're seeing in terms of some fairly, I think, at times, ugly civil discourse. And what Model UN does, instead of trying to win a point or try to win a debate, Model UN is the opposite of that. It encourages students to find common ground, to find mutually advantageous solutions to some of these problems, and I watch students grow incredibly from this activity. Model UN at Bellarmine offers students some travel opportunities. We have about 8 conferences a year that we go to. Some of them are out of state. We do 2 up in Canada, up in British Columbia, and then we always do one that's a bit further away. 2 years ago we went to DC, went to New York and did Model UN at the UN building last year. And then this year our plans are to go down to the University of California at Berkeley for their conference. Model UN appeals to students at Bellarmine because it is a long calendar, but it's very flexible. So if students want to do Model UN only for one season, and maybe a sport or another activity for another season, Model UN allows for that. And finally, it's unique because it allows, I think, more leadership opportunities than many programs do. So students, after they've done Model UN, they can actually be a chair of a committee instead of a delegate, or they can even be on the secretariat at a conference. And so it gives students the chance to sort of plan and organize and lead, as well as be a delegate. So Model UN is a great program here. It's big and growing, and I really love what I do, and I love watching the kids grow from Model United Nations.